Alright YouTube, I'm going to show you how to change a doorless, well not a doorless, but a doorknob without screws. So you got to look for your little release, boom, and you go in, you just press it down so the doorknob can come out. There we go. Once you get that off, you see the two parts right here, you just go. This part, you gotta screw it. You might need to use a little power tool to get it loose. Boom, you see it right there. Alright, just back it off a little bit. And it should screw off. Okay. Maybe you gotta use a little bit more force. Oof. There we go. Just need to get it to turn. Boom. There you go. Once you get that off, the rest is easy. You just come around. You got two screws here. Boom. You take that out, and then the door will release itself. And that is the magic of taking off a door with no screws. All right. Boom.